Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. I, Miss Pinky, welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, earlier we have discussed some topics of chapter 8, and today also we are going to start one new topic of this chapter. Today we will discuss about division in measurement. And students, division in measurement is similar to the division of whole numbers and division of decimals, and we have already discussed about division of whole numbers and division of decimals. Okay, now let us start our today's topic. Let us take one example to understand it. Divide 16 kilometer 25 meters by 5. Students, like multiplication in measurement, in division also beta we have two methods. Okay, now let us see first method. According to first method, first of all, we need to convert this into smaller unit. Here you can see we have two units, kilometer and meter. And you know kilometer is greater unit and meter is smaller unit. Okay. So first of all, we need to convert this into smaller unit, means into meters. Okay. Now beta, to convert this into meters, first we need to write relation between kilometer and meter. Now let us see here. These are the units of length. Here we have kilometer and here we have meter. So here you can see 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Because you know, as we move from left to right, next unit becomes 10 times smaller. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Here write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Why beta? 4 kilometer. We will write 1 and 4. These three units we will write 3 zeros. Okay. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay. Now we want to convert kilometer into meter. Okay. So we need to multiply because we want to convert greater unit into smaller unit. And when we convert smaller unit into greater, then we need to divide. So here we need to multiply by 1000. Now let us write 16 kilometer. Okay. 16 multiply with 1000 will give us 16,000 meters. Okay. Now we have 25 meters also beta. So we need to add 25 meters to 16,000 meters. When we add, we get 16,025 meters. Now we need to divide. Now we will divide this by 5. And now we will divide 16,025 by 5 like whole numbers. Students, when we divide 16,025 by 5, we get 3,205 meters as an answer. Okay. But if we want to convert this into kilometers, then how can we convert beta? We know when we convert kilometer into meter, then we need to multiply by 1000, the given number. Okay. But if we convert meter into kilometer, then we need to divide by 1000. Okay. When we convert greater unit into smaller, then we need to multiply. And when we convert smaller unit into greater unit, then we need to divide. So here, to get kilometers, we need to divide it by 1000. So here 3205 को हम किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? Divide by 1000. Okay. And beta we can write this like this also as a fraction. It means also we are dividing 3205 by 1000. Okay, and here we have a fraction with denominator 1000. So we can get our answer very easily without log division. Okay, we have already discussed that how can we convert a fraction into decimals. You can see here. Okay, so here beta, first write numerator as it is, and now see these zeros in denominator. Here we have 3 zeros, so we have to leave 3 digits from right side, and then we have put the decimal point. Okay, and if we have 2 zeros in denominator, then we need to leave 2 digits from right side. Okay, so here 3.205 kilometers will be answer, and you can write it like this also, 3 kilometers and 205 meters. Before this decimal point we have kilometer, and after this decimal point we have meter. Okay, now students, let us see the same example by second method. According to second method beta, first of all we need to convert this into decimals. Okay, so here 16, first of all we will write 16. Okay, and after this we will put decimal point. Before this decimal point we have to write kilometers, and after this decimal point we have to write meters. Okay, so here 16 decimal point, and now we have to write 25. We have only 25 meters, but beta, we need to write here 3 digits for meter, because here after kilometer, from kilometer to meter, we have 3 units. Okay, so for these 3 units, we need to write here 3 digits, but here we have only 2 digits. So how can we write? If we write like this, point, then 250, then it's wrong beta, because it means 250 meters, but we have only 25 meters. So how can we write? We need to put 0 after this decimal point, means before this 25. 0 to 5. Okay, it means 16 kilometers and only 25 meters. Okay, and if we write like this, 16.025 kilometers. Now we have to divide this by 5 like decimals. Okay, so now write here 16.025, and we have to divide this by 5. So let us start beta. First here we have only one digit in our divisor, so let us take only one digit from dividend also, but it is 1 and 1 is smaller than 5, so we cannot divide it by 5. Okay, so we need to take one more digit. So here now we have 16. Okay, when we take one more digit, now here we have 16. Now we have to divide 16 by 5. Now think about the table of 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay, because 5 4s are 20 will be greater than 16. So we will write here 5 3s are 15. Now we have to subtract 6 minus 5 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now here we have decimal point. Okay, so here we have to put in answer also, in quotient also we need to put decimal point. Okay, now let us take next digit, bring down 0. Okay, now 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 5 2s are 10. And when we subtract 10 from 10, we will get 0. Now bring down next digit, and next digit is 2. Now when we divide 2 with 5. Is it possible? No, because 2 is smaller than 5. So, what we will do? First, we will put 0 in our quotient, okay, for this digit. Now, we take next digit. Bring down 5. Now, we divide 25 by 5. And we know 5 5s are 25. So, here we will write 25. And when we subtract 25 from 25, or you can say 5 from 5, 0. And when we subtract 2 from 2, then also 0. Okay. So, our answer will be 3.205 kilometers. Okay. Our answer 3.205 kilometers. Or you can write this 3 kilometers and 205 meters. So by both methods, we will get the same answer. 3 kilometers, 205 meters. So you can use any method for dividing.